A world-class view awaits you near the top of the incredible Stirling Place. Entering a meticulous lobby leads to the elevators whisking you up to the 21st floor and a sprawling home with tile floors throughout. The large living room with a gas fireplace leads out to an expansive deck and view overlooking the Golden Ears Bridge, the mountaintops beyond, down the Fraser River, and all the way to Tsawwassen. The primary bedroom shares the same view and has a walk-through closet to the full cheater ensuite across the hall from the two-piece guest bathroom. White shaker cabinets in the kitchen contrast a mosaic tile backsplash surrounding stainless steel appliances and quartz counters that flow to the dining room. The second bedroom sits at the opposite end of the suite, taking in the Riverview from near floor-to-ceiling windows. A fitness center and flex space are tucked behind the lobby. Boasting a walk score of 98, you are surrounded by restaurants, quaint local shops, and large retailers. Moody Park is just a block away. New West Secondary and Fraser Middle are only blocks further. Transit options whisk you to Skytrain in 10 minutes.